Hello everyone, this is the tutorial for creating an app engine on Google Cloud. So this is the cloud.google.com. You should have an billing account associated with your account. First of all, launch an app engine. So the prerequisite for launching an app engine is that you should have the API enabled. Just go to API and services, go to library, search for search for app engine, and make sure you have this API enabled, this app engine admin API. I have enabled this API. Go back. Okay, you can see here this shows that API is enabled. Now uh, for the app engine you need to have some application configurations. So wait for me. So if you have the application configurations, you can directly upload it from here. Otherwise you can search for a basic application, that is Python doc samples. You will get these links. So check if this is the same link. Click on code and just copy this URL. You can type git clone and paste this URL and click on enter. The repository will directly be cloned. I have already cloned it, so you can see this Python doc samples. It is already cloned. Then you have to enter the directory for your app engine. So let's go to that directory, Python doc samples. These are my contents of this repository. So change your directory to app engine, cd control V. Now I am inside app engine. Just go inside flexible. Now go to hello world application, hello world, which is a basic application. Here you go. You have all your application configurations here, that is app.yaml file, main.python file. You can check the main.py file using cat command. Main.py, yes, here it is. So to test this application, you can simply put this code Python. What is your application name? It is main.py space your YAML file name, that is app.yaml. Okay, your application is running. You can see hello world, your application is successfully running. Now to deploy it on app engine, you can press Ctrl C to end this process. Now you can simply put the command gcloud app deploy. Select the region. It will take some time. Press Y, enter. There you go. You have successfully deployed your App Engine application and you can access it from this URL. That's it.